Welcome. So Stephany Oliveros' session at the Future of AI Course Creators Summit 2026 is all about how to create a team of AI agents that can launch sophisticated workflows, including course pipelines and educational material for your courses. Right now, everyone is talking about AI tools, new prompts, new apps, new automations, but the real opportunity for course creators is much bigger than simply using AI to save time. It's about building intelligent AI systems that can actually support better learning experiences. In Stephany's session, she'll be showing you how to create a team of AI agents that can work together across your business, from course research and curriculum planning to lesson creation, student support, and educational content workflows. Imagine having one AI agent focused on researching your topic, another helping structure lesson based on how people actually learn, another creating worksheets, quizzes, and summaries, and another helping students stay engaged between calls or lessons. That's where AI becomes truly powerful, not replacing creators but supporting them, because AI should enhance human creativity and not flatten it. One of the biggest problems right now is that so much AI generated content is starting to sound the same. Same tone, same structure, same polished but empty feel. Your audience notices when content loses its human side. That's why human-centered AI matters so much. The future isn't about automating everything. It's about using AI intentionally in a way that helps people learn better, think more clearly, and makes progress faster. And as course creators, your judgment, your experience, and your voice still matter more than ever. AI can help you move faster, but human connection is still what creates trust, transformation, and real learning. That's what Stephany will be sharing at the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026. Read the full blog, follow the link.